friends, welcome to CK Video. Here's a GPS DVD player for Chrysler Aspen from 2007 to 2008. This unit has latest WinCE operation system and 1GB CPU with 1GB RAM. Let's check out the great functions in it. You can listen to news, pop music, or classic songs by radio function. It supports RDS. You can select channels by program times. It supports band AM and FM. And it has AF and TA function. The GPS navigation system can locate your position and show you detailed information in a 3D map. You will never get lost with this function. It has CSR Bluetooth driver. You can dial numbers on the screen directly. You can also answer calls on the screen. Download phone book. And listen to music from your phone. The DVD player has auto memory and anti-shock protection. It supports DVD, VCD, CD, DIVX format, and 1080p HD video. You can enjoy MIDI files from external devices via USB port and SD card slot. You can enjoy music freely. The equalizer makes it possible to enjoy perfect audio sound. It supports iPod music. You can connect an iPod or iPhone to it by an iPod cable and enjoy songs from it. Now we come to the setting interface. You can set wallpaper, car logo, languages, GPS system, audio, time, and so on.